Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World. Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and we are going to have another food trip here at SouthWing Cafeteria. And here's their menu, and we are going to enjoy most of it, especially with their flavorful chicken wings. SouthWing Cafeteria is located at number 93 Jacinto Street, downtown Davao City.
Yo!
Hi! Hello! Here are their flavorful variety of flavored chicken wings. Plus, they also have this new Bangus in salted egg sauce, one of my favorites. Also, they have here the chicken sisig. Alright. One of the interesting burgers in here, we can have here the black and pink burgers. Yes. Yum yum. Plus, here we go. Some of the food that we are going to taste here in SouthWing Cafeteria. There you go. The brand of SouthWing is now in Davao, downtown Davao. Let's enjoy. Thank you very much, SouthWing, through Jenny's Kitchen, with us, the Ka-Joys, for inviting us here at SouthWing Cafeteria. And let's enjoy the food!
Kaon, kaon. Kaya the best ang bangus. Buong niya salted egg.
The best, sir. Meron pa, sir.
Pang ASMR ba ang crunch? Ang crunch sa ano? Sa manok.
So kahit sabihin mo 30 minutes na yan siya, crunchy pa din.
Gano'n. So, yeah, exposed na siya sa air.
Oo.
Lalo na pagkainit nino. Dami kayo.
Oo.
Nag-a-add yun siya ano miss dyan na mag-taste ang salted egg.
Sir?
Nag-a-add siya sa taste. Mo balance po siya ba? Naikit siya spice.
Makaingan din ka na mukhaon ka kanon.
Kanon is life.
So may konti siyang cake, but not much.
Naampod siya, makita man yung ang chili.
Yeah.
And crispy. Lemonade. Ano eh, spicy na niya siya. Kami man siyang spicy. Hindi mo kaya lang.
Go. Happy ka pa din.
Ikaw na. So with lettuce, chicken, and kailangan sauce. Sariling sauce. Sila may gawa.
Special burger dressing.
Yes. Kailangan siya pink. Panalo.
Parang invitation video na. Oh!
Tagalog Bisaya.
Dito na sa'yo kung saan nasa baka.
Basit ko niyo, oh. Pink burger. Naku eh, black burger. Black pink. Blinks.
Hi!
Ah, naka-off na siya.
Loading.
Hi, Miss Dan. Hi to Sir Dennis. Hi, Miss Dan. So, we are currently here at SouthWing. Yes. And hopefully, guys, you are going to visit here with Miss Jen, Sir Dennis, and kita-kits dito. And you will have here yung burger nilang may black bun.
Black
Bun.
Bun.
Tapos meron din silang pink na burger. So you can have your black pink na burger. Okay, so hopefully guys, you are going to subscribe to Miss Jan's channel. Si Sir na po na siya iyang channel. What's na guys? I was Ayan. Lol Pinoy. So hopefully kita-kita sa YouTube Universe. Universe nila sa world.
Oh, universe talaga yan.
Universe. So, here visit sa SouthWing at Jacinto here in Davao City. Bye!
Again, let's enjoy flavorful chicken wings, burgers, and other great tasting food here at SouthWing Cafeteria. Thank you very much. Goodbye.